Mastering Pacing, Unlocking Success in the GRE. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into one of the most critical, yet often overlooked aspects of the GRE, pacing strategies. Nailing down the right pacing can make the difference between rushing through questions and having ample time to tackle each one. Let's get started. Before we dive into specific strategies, it's essential to understand the GRE's structure. The GRE consists of quantitative reasoning, verbal reasoning, and analytical writing sections. But remember, each section has its own time limit. Quantitative reasoning, 35 minutes per section. Verbal reasoning, 35 minutes per section. Analytical writing, 30 minutes per task. With this knowledge, we can now create pacing strategies tailored to each section. For the quantitative reasoning section, 1. First pass. Skim through the questions, answering the ones you immediately know. This should take about 15 minutes. 2. Second pass. Return to the more challenging problems, spending about 2 minutes per question. 3. Last few minutes. Use the remaining time for a quick review and to guess any unanswered questions. There's no penalty for guessing. For the verbal reasoning section, 1. Sentence equivalence and text completion. Aim to spend about 1 minute per question. This should account for roughly 10 minutes. 2. Reading comprehension. Spend around 2 to 3 minutes per passage, and then 1 minute per question. Remember, understanding the main idea of the passage is crucial. 3. Final review. Like the quantitative section, reserve the last few minutes to revisit challenging questions and guess if necessary. The analytical writing section requires a slightly different approach, as it's about crafting essays. 1. Planning. Spend the first 5 minutes brainstorming your main ideas and outlining your response. 2. Writing. Dedicate the next 20 minutes to writing your essay. Stay focused on addressing the prompt. 3. Review. Use the last 5 minutes to proofread and make any final edits. This step ensures your response is polished and free of glaring errors. 1. Practice with a timer. Familiarize yourself with the time constraints by using a timer during practice sessions. 2. Stay calm. Anxiety can be a big time waster. Take deep breaths, stay composed, and move forward, even if you feel stuck. 3. Mark and move. If a question seems too challenging, mark it and return later. It's better to answer more questions than to get stuck on one. Pacing is a vital skill for the GRE. By understanding the structure of the test and implementing the strategies we discussed, you'll be better prepared to manage your time efficiently. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you confidently tackle the GRE. Best of luck, and remember, practice makes perfect.